Hi, my name is Mary. I am an office worker and also a busy mom. Every day I look after my son. I love him, but I feel a bit tired sometimes. So, can you guess where I am going? Haha! It's the cinema. I leave my son with his dad. I escape to watch a movie. Watching movies is my favorite way to relax. Let's go inside with me. Wow, everything looks so modern. The lights are bright and colorful. I can smell the fresh popcorn everywhere. Then I look at the movie posters. I see a fast action movie that is so cool. Or should I watch a horror movie? No, I want something fun and happy. Aha! Mary in London looks very sweet. It is a romantic comedy with a happy ending. This movie is perfect for a mom like me. Next, I go to the ticket counter and wait in line. There are 3 people in front of me. I wait for my turn patiently. Finally, I step up to the staff. 1 ticket for Mary in London, please. The 5 p.m. showtime, I add. The staff happily shows me the screen. Which seat do you like? She asks. I don't like the front row. The middle row has the best view. I choose row E, seat 5, please. I pay with my credit card. She hands me my ticket. All right, almost done. Afterwards, I go to the snack stand. A movie needs popcorn and soda. The staff gives me a warm bag. Oh my, the popcorn smells so buttery and good. Let me check the time. It is almost 5 p.m. now. Let's find the theater hall. Afterwards, I walk to the hallway. Oh my, there are so many theater halls. Which door is my movie in? Eventually, I see a theater door. I show my ticket to the staff. He is very busy with his phone. He doesn't even look up at me. Hall 3 is on your left, he says. I say, thank you, and enter. My, the theater hall is very dark. I need to find my row and my seat. But wait, someone is already there. A young man is in my seat. Excuse me, I think you are in my seat. This is row E, seat 5, right? I bought this ticket at the counter. The young man looks very confused. Wait, let me check my ticket too, he says. We're both row E, seat 5. We both feel very puzzled for a moment. Then the man looks at me and smiles kindly. Aha, I see what is wrong. But please look at your theater hall number. This is theater 3, not theater 4. Wait, what? I check my ticket again. It says theater 4 at the very top. Aha, this movie is so famous today. There are 2 halls for the same film. Ugh, my face turns red immediately. I am so sorry, I tell the man. I quickly run out of theater 3. Where is theater 4? Oh, it's next door. Luckily, I get to theater 4 just in time. I sit in my real seat. Yay! I finally made it! The lights go down and the movie starts. The movie is great and very funny. It is a fun and busy day. As you can see, going to the cinema has many steps, like choosing a movie, buying tickets, picking seats, and getting popcorn. Please check everything carefully, friends. Make sure the hall and seat numbers are correct. I hope you have a great time. Enjoy your movie and have fun. Let's answer the following questions. Question 1. Where does Mary go to relax by herself? Answer. She goes to the cinema to relax by herself. Question 2. What kind of movie does Mary choose to watch? Answer. She chooses a romantic comedy with a happy ending. Question 3. Which seat does Mary choose for the movie? Answer. She chooses row E, seat 5. Question 4. What snack does Mary buy before entering the theater hall? Answer. She buys popcorn and soda before entering the theater hall. Question 5. Why does Mary leave Theater 3 and run to Theater 4? Answer. She leaves Theater 3 because her ticket is for Theater 4, not Theater 3. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this lesson helpful and fun. Please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.